Hey guys, in this video I'm going to go over how to update tax information in Google Ads. And it's really easy and simple. First things first, what you want to do is you want to log into your Google Ads account. So open up your web browser, go to ads.google.com, enter your login details to access your account dashboard. And next, what you want to do, guys, is you want to go ahead and go to your billing settings. So in the top right corner, you want to click on the tools and settings icon, which is basically a wrench icon, and under the billing section, select settings from the drop down menu. Now you want to go ahead and locate your tax information. So scroll down to the tax information section and click edit next to your current tax details. And depending on your region, okay, you want to enter the required tax information. So for example, for the US, you will need to provide your TIN, okay, which is your tax identification number. Other countries, you have to fill in, the appropriate tax details. For example, the VAT, which is basically value added tax, or, GST. Just go ahead and double check your entries for accuracy, then go ahead and click on save, okay, to confirm and basically apply the changes. And then what you can do is, go ahead and verify your changes because, Google Ads may require a few minutes to process the updates. So go ahead and check your billing settings page to ensure that the new tax information is displayed correctly. So I hope this guide provided value to you. And if it did, consider smashing that like button as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions. And I'll see you guys in the next one.